Amazon dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where sellers list products for sale on Amazon without actually keeping them in stock. When an order is placed, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This allows sellers to operate without inventory and overhead costs, but it requires careful management of suppliers and customer expectations. Topics. 1. What is Amazon dropshipping and how does it work? 2. What are the advantages of Amazon dropshipping? 3. 8-step checklist for dropshipping on Amazon. 4. Bonus strategies for Amazon success. 5. Make sure your things are priced appropriately. 6. Dropshipping from Amazon to eBay is a great way to make money.